This is Sarah Junick with Drilling Contractor. Today I'm at the 2019 IADC World Drilling Conference in Milan. I'm with Francesco Racchelli. He's the COO of Saipem Onshore Drilling. Francesco, thanks for being with us today.
My pleasure, Sarah.
You spoke about a high reliability organization. What is it and what are some of its priorities?
High reliability organizations are organizations or industries such as the nuclear industry or the aviation industries. For sure, we can learn a lot from those. An example from the aviation industries, there's a lot of best practices on multi-crew cooperations, being skilled, being proficient, having performance being standardized in those industries. And I think there's something that we can learn and so that we can take our industry to the next level.
You spoke about a high reliability organization. What is it and what are some of its priorities?
High reliability organizations are industries such as the nuclear industries, the aviation industries, and their priorities, of course, is safety because they have to handle complex situations, personnel, time pressures, and so forth. And therefore, they have a lot of best practices we can learn from. An example, multi-crew cooperation is one of them. Multi-crew cooperations is basically the equivalent of our stop work authority in drilling, but it's taking this stop work authority procedure to the next level.
What is the difference between being skilled and being proficient, and what are some examples of those in the industry?
There is a big difference between being skilled and being proficient. I can be a very good and skilled runner. An example, I can be very coordinated. But if I haven't been running for the last 18 months, I am not proficient. In other words, chances are that the first time I go out and run, I am not performing very well. Exactly the same thing, the same difference between being skilled and being proficient applies to our industry as well as the aviation industry as well as any high reliability organization.
Checklists and quick reference handbooks were mentioned. Can you discuss those and how they're used in the aviation industry and how they could be applied in the drilling industry?
Okay, checklists and QRH or quick reference handbooks are extremely utilized in the aviation industry. To give an example, out of the famous Tom Hanks movie of Captain Sullenberger, QRH has been applied and used for the water landing on the Hudson River. And so were checklists. Now, the same applies and should be applied more, in my opinion, to our industry, where we take our procedures or job safety analysis and simplify them to bring them to the rig floor. How? In a very simplified version, which is called checklist. 5, 6, maximum 10 quick checkpoints to be controlled and checked out by the operating team.
Thank you, Francesco, for being with us today.
Thanks a lot, Sarah. My pleasure.
And thank you for watching drillingcontractor.org.